how to create a Fiverr account. So before we begin, there's two things you'll have to go ahead and do. The first is go to fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com. And then you should also have your email open as well in an alternative tab. And you can use your favorite web browser for signing up and joining Fiverr. So from the Fiverr website, the first thing we're going to look for is the join icon. Should be in the upper right hand corner, and it'll highlight green as soon as you hover your cursor over it. So then we're going to go ahead and click on join. Then from here we'll have a small little pop-up that says join Fiverr. You can continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or enter an email to create your account. Or if you're already a member, you can also sign in at the bottom. We are going to go ahead and use the enter your email option. We could use the continue with Google, but for the sake of continuity and the fact that anybody watching this video might not have a Facebook or a Google account, we'll go ahead and use the enter an email because everybody should have an email when creating a Fiverr account. So howtoal.official at gmail.com. Okay. Make sure you spelled it correctly and then go ahead and hit continue. So now you can go ahead and choose a username. For mine, I'm going to do howtoal, of course, and then password. Okay. So it has to be 8 characters longer. You combine upper and lowercase letters and numbers. Doesn't look like they have a special character, which you'll see on some of the other websites. By joining, you agree to Fiverr's terms of service, as well as to receive occasional emails from us. So it doesn't look like when you join Fiverr, there's an option to check to make sure you've read through the terms of service and agreements, and there is no checkbox to uncheck to keep you from receiving occasional emails from Fiverr. So we'll go ahead and click on join now. It says the username must begin with a letter and can include numbers and underscores. Okay, so we can't have a space in the username, it looks like. So we'll go ahead and do howtoal with underscores between the howto and the toal. So we'll go ahead and click on join. And it looks like it's given us the green check marks to let us know that we're good to go ahead. And then give it a sec here to wait. And it looks like we have created our account. So it says, Alex, you'll need to activate your account on howtoal.official at gmail.com. So we'll go ahead and verify this as well. So this video does combine how to verify your account as well as how to create an account in Fiverr. So we'll go back to our inbox here and we'll notice we've gotten an email that says, from Fiverr, activate your new account. You're almost there. Just confirm your email. So we'll go ahead and click on the activate your account option here within the email. It'll take us back to Fiverr, and you'll notice the banner that we had. Oh, it looks like it logged us out there. Let's go back to the original Fiverr tab here. We'll go ahead and refresh the page. Looks like it wants us to sign in again. So we'll go ahead and sign in. Not sure why that is. And you notice that we're now signed in and the verify your account has disappeared. So that is simply how you create and verify an account in Fiverr.